Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to edit footer in Wix. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to be able to find the footer of your Wix website, simply scroll down to the bottom. As you notice, this is the actual footer of our website. If you click on Quick Edit over here, you will be able to customize the information being mentioned inside the footer. It's not much, but this is the only thing you could do. But the menu above that area, or like the contacts part, is typically also considered as a footer. So to be able to edit this one, simply click on Quick Edit the same way, and you will be able to edit more information as you can see here, which is much better. And as you can see, you can simply edit whatever you would need over here. And after making some changes, remember to click on save over here on the top. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.